Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on Learn With Me series. So what we'll be doing today is I'll be showing you how to fix a eyelet to your bag with a gaming machine. So what do we need to do that? You need your melter ruler, any ruler you have at all, you can use it. You use your hammer to knack the punch. Then you need a big punch which is of the same size as your eyelet, even a little bit bigger than it, so it can be easy for you to fix. So you need your eyelet, big eyelet, and you need the washer for the eyelet, and you need your machine, which is this particular one you can see here, with your dice for the size of the eyelet you are going to fix. So without no further ado, now we'll proceed to the main measurements of how you can measure this and you fix it. So the first thing you want to do is after you've taken your measurements, let's say for instance this is the back of the bag, so where you want the eyelet to start from, this is after you want to, when you want to sew this, you want to sew the gusset to it, this is where your gusset will stop from. And I've marked that place out. As you can see, this is on this part, this is on this part as well. I've marked it out and I know exactly where I'm going to take my measurement from. So the first thing you want to do is you measure 1 inch from where you mark up to where you are going to start punching your eyelet, and from this side as well you measure 1.5 inch. But sometimes I don't even need to stay and measure 1.5 inch. I just plate the wideness of my ruler and I know exactly what I need. So if you have been working on this, or if this is the first time, you can also take your measurements, but if you are used to it, you don't need to take any measurements. You know exactly where you want your eyelet to be. So this is what I normally do. You place this, you measure 1 inch. As you can see, this is 1 inch. I don't know if you guys are seeing it clearly, but that's the reason why I take my time to also explain it a little bit. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't need to measure this side. I'll just place this where my 1 inch is, and I will punch out the first row and do the same thing to the second row as well. So sometimes it's a little bit difficult for you to punch this kind of row, but you have to just stay. Punch out the first row and it will look something like this. So the best thing for you to do is, once you punch out this first row, you do the second row, you punch out the second row before you punch the one that is close to it. So but I am doing side by side, so I will first do this particular one and do the second one. So in between this, you should put at least half centimeter, so you know exactly half inch, I mean not centimeter, half inch from this side, so you can fix your second eyelet and you know exactly where you punch the first hole, then you rhyme it with the second one and you punch that out. So I say you should measure half centimeter, or sometimes if you are using a very big eyelet just like mine, you should at least measure 1 inch. Pardon me, what I was saying before is half inch, but now you can also use 1 inch if you are using a big eyelet just like the one I showed you. So I'll measure my 1 inch to where I'm going to punch out the second hole. So after you finish that, you turn it to this side and you do the same thing on the second side. So you, just like I explained, you punch your second hole. So you see we have 4 holes where our eyelet is going to go. So right now you keep your block aside and you bring out your machine, and I've said earlier you should use the dice that is of the same size as your eyelets. So you put your eyelet through the front this way and you place it below the machine just like this, and you put your cover, make sure you set it well, and you apply pressure on the machine this way. And here we have our eyelet. We fixed it, and this is how to fix a eyelet with a machine. I've done the manual way of fixing eyelet on this channel before, but I think probably very soon I'm still going to do it for the people that can't search the video on the channel. So expect that very soon. But this is a way to apply a eyelet to your bag with the gamming machine. So let's do the rest before we end the video. So I decide to do a close-up shot for you so that you guys can see it closely. So you put your eyelet just this way and you put it below the machine. You also put your cover, which is the washer, and use your hand to set it just like I've done this way. Then you apply pressure on the machine just a little bit. Then you see how beautiful it is and the outside. So let's do the second one as well. So if you have any question concerning this or any other project, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. For those of you who are watching this video for the first time and you've not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another interesting tutorial on this channel. And for those of you who are watching this video and have not subscribed but always come back to watch video, you can use this time or this advantage to subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Share it with people you know it might be of help to them. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget that if you want to talk to me direct, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. And if you want to order any of our bag, anyone you like, most of them are for sale. So this is how to fix a eyelet with a gamming machine. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.